You are watching T to the M to the I D D.
Okay. It is 11 a.m. and I am literally just waking up. I think the 6-hour time difference has finally caught up to me. But it's another morning. Just put my lunch order in. It's time to get the day started. How's your breakfast?
It's lovely, darling. It's lovely.
Dinner. Wi-Fi works here. No. With rice, huh?
With rice. What you got going on here, mate?
Nothing much.
Like the M6?
Oh yeah, got the Leica M6. Just getting through this roll of film.
Yeah, I'm gonna need that back.
Natty with us.
Batty?
Come on.
Natty with a There we go. 1, 2. I love it. Love it. Okay, Sarah. She's like, I know what I'm doing, you know. Oh, I love that. Yes. Walking. Yeah, and just glance up perfect. Yeah. Hold on. 1, 2. Much better than back. Perfect.
I'm being a bit pedantic.
Get any video?
Okay, it is officially like natty with a baddie out here. I got my 85 on. This is like my natural light go-to, okay? ND filter and Nikon Z30 for this desert area because the light is actually amazing right now and you can actually see it hitting me right here, camera left. So let's continue with this adventure, shall we? What's going on? Wagwan?
We're heading that way.
Heading over yonder?
Yeah, boy.
Oh, might be over there. Get some BTS. How y'all feeling?
Good, man.
Good.
Got some bangers
Hold on,
already.
no, I gotta be your accountability partner. Where's your camera, man? No, your video.
Oh, this.
Oh, you didn't. Oh, it's been recording behind you.
Come on. It's always there. I'm always ready.
Yeah.
Pow, look. Now it's recording.
Now it's on.
Simple. Insta360. If you want to send me version 3,
oh, man.
you know where to find me. Do you know what I mean? Just go on my channel. You can see the bundas I've been shooting. So you can send me version 3 if you want.
No major here. Oh, I love that. It's giving Ariel. So they are extremely strict here, like extremely strict. So where we were just shooting at, the police came and said that we can't be right there. So we are trying to go deeper into this desert area so that they won't bother us. And the sun is going down quite a bit. There's a lot of natty with the baddie going on right now. I think a little bit later I will go to some off-camera flash. Right there, perfect. Oh, shadow. There we go. over top that way? Perfect. Okay. Okay, I got it. Okay. We got, what do we have? What's this fine piece of art?
This Sony costume from KD Swim, available now in all sizes from extra small to XXL.
I like how the hair blowing in the wind.
Yeah. It's a bit wild right now. It's like very sandy.
Very.
I was doing this. Yeah, like that.
Look at the camels. Look.
Oh yeah.
The camels in the back.
Oh man.
That's what we did on here.
Yeah, that's it right there. Okay. Now. Hey mate. Alex.
Yeah.
Can you model for me?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Get my branding. Are you being serious or are you joking?
Nah, I was joking. Come on. Oh! Oh! Yeah, see, she hit that. Oh! Yeah. Hold it what?
Hold the slide on me, please.
Hold the line.
Hold the light on mine.
Just light off them.
Oh.
I have to go straight on because I'm big for someone.
Yeah, that's cool.
I'm just asking people different questions, like why they left me hanging when I did a high five.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh. Oh, you UK people. Oh my goodness. Lord.
Sorry.
Okay. Oh, okay. Y'all see that? Okay. There, that's what I'm talking about. That is a wrap. We've been out here for a while. Y'all see this beautiful light right here? Amazing kiss of light coming over the horizon. I need to get a shot right there, actually. But I put my camera up, so. How you feel, Sarah?
I'm tired now.
Tired?
Yeah, but it was fun.
Sun?
It was fun in the sun. It was good.
Can you get this on camera?
No, don't.
Oh, she got her. She brought it to the table.
Well, I can do my room if you want from here.
That's right.
Whoa!
Day 4. Complete. I'm tired. I've been shooting all day. As you can see, the room is a complete mess. We've got so much stuff in here, it doesn't make any sense. But, you know, when you come to do photography, you bring all the gear that you need, especially in a place you've never been. We had a lot of great adventures today. I'm worn out. I'm still 6 hours behind, but I appreciate you all taking a look at my vlog here in Morocco, and I hope you really enjoy the content. T to the M to the IDD. I don't know about you, but I know I'm about to go to sleep. Make sure you hit the like button, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you're doing out there. Appreciate y'all watching. Peace. What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD. And if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.